my youth and me that can video.
Nobody made it, you know. Nobody made it around. She said, we have to call up. We have to call you. We have to call the airport, no call. You book there for so much years, we have to call them. So I said, me not call them now up on the house phone. One take me out there and I'm asleep. So I go use the phone box and call them. And call them over Gatwick at the immigration part and tell the immigration, say, hello, and say, hello, this is the immigration office in Gatwick Airport. I say, yeah, my name is George Smith.
Yeah, your name and what you really.
The woman said, what? Excuse me? Say your name again. 1 month the dog get to England and the dog there how much in beer. So the woman said, say your name again. And I said, George Smith. She goes, boom, boom, and I think I said, Mr. Smith, what are you still doing in England?
Yeah.
So I started telling the woman, said, no, sir, I want to go home. So she said, okay, come to the airport. I said, no. I said, I buy a ticket. I buy a ticket and I want to go home, but me to go home from...
No, them have a passport.
Yeah, I said, me to go home, but my friend then tell me, say, I'm not going to handcuff me and camera and plane and all. So the lady laughed. See how the lady laughed? The lady said, no, you're not, not of it. You're not a wrongdoer. I said, no. She said, alright, when you just take me to the date and thing and give you one number on the ticket, I should look it up. And she said, oh, you actually have a ticket to go home. I said, yeah, I want to go home. Boom, she said, alright, when? I said, the Monday I come at the airport. She said, when you come at the airport, call this number and I will come and meet you downstairs. I said, alright, you know. You see, if I meet that road, the motorway.
If you go at the airport.
I dead, you know. Me a sweating in winter.
Yeah.
Brother. I saw my suitcase that ice for me trolley. Come here and say, me never come back. Me sure me go. So anyway, me go and look at him with that Sue said, me a panic now, you know. I airport can't call a woman, you know. And me I said, me don't want to feel embarrassed go on that plane, yeah, man. So Sue take the phone and he Sue voice, me say, me hear you talk and then me see smiling and go on Sue face and me say, okay, love, when you come down, I'm here. And me see one lady I come to us, you know. Gray, white, the black top band. There, she come and said, oh, Mr. Smith, that's you. He said, yes. No, come with me. Go with the woman, you know, the show me trolley and go in the elevator and say, oh, man, a jail, woman, I can't go. Remember when we go through for coming up? So I look on the glass place and again, me I go in there, you know. When we go in, I want big like a sitting room, you know. I see the woman to come, and the woman to come, and the woman drove one damn one place like this, brother, with a big drop. I like Jamaica, Cuba, Nigeria, Uganda.
Every passport in that
state. So the woman drove the Jamaica. I said, nobody not left for Jamaica. I said, where the blood? He said, the woman drove the one that said Jamaica. I said, nobody not left for Jamaica. Hey, Jamaican book, the blue book them.
The big blue one them.
No.
Book. Book it that. So you must have people that were coming out to go back and don't go back for their book, you know. And the woman goes up. To the woman drove my one and said, oh, Mr. Smith. So now, me afraid to the woman now, I'm going to give me the book. Then I'm going to carry me straight on the plane. And me see my so attack and the lady said, he sound like a nice person, man. And he have a nice person around him. So the woman just carry me and make sure me go through, you know, a part where they take off your shoes and
yeah.
So when me I go through this, so you know me can't run me again with the book.
You're gone.
She just give me the book. And she know
you can't come back out. You're gone, you're gone now.
And say, don't make them tell you no stupidness. Go to duty free and shop, man. They treat me good in England. I'm a country have the problem, you know.
You touch yard.
Well, I'm there from plane and feel duty free. I fly down like, oh, man, straight. Station, reach at Jamaica now. Line up on station and go through and I say, yeah. Me not get no disrespect in England, you know. So me know Jamaican, they know nothing about them, you know.
Nothing, man.
Me in my country, you know. And when I go up to the man, you know, young youth too, you know.
Yeah.
For the youth shouldn't style me like that. The man should have say, yo, General, go on. Young youth, you know. You know when British Airways plane come out with the place back, you know.
I must tell you.
When we go up to the immigration, brother, I must and give me book and go so. And the man, then he said, hold on. I said, brother, you just come back to Jamaica? Loud enough?
Yeah.
I said, everybody look around. The man said, you just come back 1 month and some. The man said, brother, all this time I sit down over there. I said, I shame you. The man said, we go sit down. Hold on, let me give you a joke, man. The man said, me on a chair. Zane, go sit down. So you see them chair over there, so sit down. I don't know. I don't know how to make a airport them time, you know, brother. So I sit down on the chair. So when you were there on the plane, I never know say undercover police there on the plane with him because I see him. I see him with 2 white men, in England 2 white, but I never know say a police, the 2 white men, told them and behave, they never behave certain way where you could have said a police. So them I see in our office there, so. And the door walk like that. I want a boy with grey beard, you know, shape up, big man, glass down and so. I see go in there. I'm here talking. So I said, what the brother put me to sit down, sir? So sit down with me. I'm here when the man I said, you take me for blood, me look like white police, you take me for idiot. You think police are going to see you in England and just take you off the street and dip you, so brother? At Jamaica you blood, the man all cuss back, the man said, at Jamaica you there. At Jamaica you there, don't tell me no something you that do why them a dip you. Brother, you stay there, so I'm going to see some red seam come and coffee man around with him. I mean the man said, next!
That's a military thing.
Brother, just like the man said next. I don't know me talking. Just tell me to come from England nice and good, man.
I imagine next are you. I don't know.
The man said next. I'm the stairs and sit down.
Yeah.
I see man just come and go, sir. Oi, come now, sir.
I
Sir, come in. I share me now.
The man is like a tip you get deep.
Yeah.
That you never know, sir, no dip me get deep. Let me show you how the wheelchair. The wheelchair. And the man said, you come in, brother, you may come.
I tell you.
I'm going in and so real him up back at me, you know. I come and the man said, you know him? So I said, yes. My husband, we come here to get married. So the man said, right now, we don't want to talk to you now. Him, you know. Him want to talk to. So come in, sir. So I go up and say my feet. We need the ball, you know, brother.
They say they need them because people are getting deported. That's why they need people
We
are
need
getting
the ball,
deported.
you know, brother. When we go in and we sit down by a chair, man say, yo, tell me your story, brother. I said, which story? Man say, what happened to you in England now? And so you ever talk to me and so just go straight in, you know. I said, no, me I stay in here. Yes, stand up. I said, you can't stay in here, this is the immigration office, you know. And so said, no, he's not around door. So I said, Dad, let me talk to you. Let me tell you my story. I go to England, we get a month, I up there for a couple of years. Then, we there, we try for box roll, like do little yard work and little gardening and, you know, I know my thing. We don't like to work properly. We meet this lady and this lady put me up and I work for her, do up her place and thing, and me and her fall in love and we said, she said she want me to come home because she is not the person who live like that. And the man just goes, so I see him glass, pull back up and I say, yeah? And the man stop look, I saw him look for you. So I see him look up now and I say, yeah? And I say, you never get in any trouble in England, no police, nothing. I said, never, I'm not like that. And so I said, no, I never. All him do is stay. Most of the time me there work, I'm a teacher for over 30 a year, a vice principal. He just stay home and just fix my place. The man did and I said like the man said, keep talking. But they talk now and I say, calm down and hear the man say. So you know, you go to jail or not, I said, no. He said, you go to jail or Jamaica. I said, no man. I said, never go to jail. Man say your name, I'm telling man, go by computer. I said, you clean like paper, man.
So where you are there,
man
so?
looks at him and said, drop the door, man. He so drop the door. I said, oh, and people like you for there in England. Even stamp not going on the book. The man just give me my book and say, go and go married and go back to England.
Yeah.
I say, man, just tell me drop the door. And I drop the door, man say, and people like you for there in England. All this, go and go married and come back to England. I saw me kind of feel good enough. I saw me walk out and
So why did him tell you to go over this and I buy your bike?
if you're a young youth like me, I see say I buy me ticket. You should have just go and say, this man never took England from 2000 and just come back down here so they may time here.
Hey, yes,
he should have just hold it. He should have just go so can you see say I no dip me get. But through the boy want hype. Young youth like me, you know. You just come back and you just come back and your brother sit down over there, sir. So the man
yes, yeah, me, I run me running away.
Yeah,
man, Friday man chat to I run me running away. I remember I did me get
DJ, let me tell you something now.
I run me running away.
Let me tell you something now. You said me go out there, And he don't want them to try that, want to dip in the way.
Yeah, man. Boy, them
Boy, man, them pussy and can't mean nothing.
You want straight, man.
When I'm go there, he don't want them to go and
Oh, my God, they deal with yourself. But when you go there, and I buy you come down there, you must
Yo, I say the people them in England, when me I go down and think say them are going to deal with
They
the
do.
wicked pan the
Anytime I
plane.
go there, any immigration boy go there, go like say when they
And
want
when
to
we got
flat.
Jamaica,
Like they want to flip.
The
Me a
immigration
flap them.
youth, young youth like myself, they should have
I
said.
can't do me nothing. Me not fuss about it now.
If you drop the door
Yeah,
and
fam.
give me back the fast.
Anyone want to flip, man, I flap them one. Remember what I tell you?
Me go to the youth, and when we go to the youth, me feel free. I mean, I'm ready for the hype, the man look.
Like a big
I
girl.
saw some of them still.
Like a big immigration girl out there, that I'm over here.
I saw me go see some
Apart
of them
from
still.
fucking question.
Big up.
So they have blood clot right there.
Remember to subscribe, you know, hit that button, you know? Yeah.
So some of them
Yeah,
still.
out and about.
Yes, sir, man.
Subscribe.
Hey, one day me down there, you know.
Yeah.
I see a woman, you know, she come and shop at home. They are watching the gloves and skirt and come back. I see this woman come up the road now. Cause, you know, want to buy advice. And I look, but I say, I know her, man. If I see her, you know her. And I say, I know that woman there. So I go, I say, what I go on? Me, you know, that skirt went and she that the time staff was father. You know what she do? Send money go to Jamaica. She go down, send money down, go to herself. And when you go to Jamaica and anything you do, you have to have TRN and she don't have TRN.
yeah,
So she
true.
can't collect her money. Make me tell you something. Hey, I say,
Trouble.
me, hey. Mr. The road, the woman there for the customer. Not but bad on the customer.
You see my TRN and my passport and my passport, my TRN.
Tomorrow.
Oh,
Yes,
Hey,
yes.
Sunday, you know.
My TRN and passport.
Me tell you.
everything.
you get the thing you know, tell him now.
So what you mean? I'll get my injection, you know.
If I go away there, see me toast. You saw me there,
You make the call.
Hey!
tell him say Sunday
Me
before.
say,
Alright.
Sunday I'll get my vaccine. I would mind give it two of them one time.
I'm mad, man.
Mr. I can't tell you I talk about it. Me have my phone vibrate on pocket. When me look NHS, me eligible to get me corona vaccine. Me say, what is that now for me?
No vaccine. Vaccine yet.
DJ,
Yeah.
they are growing it.
So wait, you never collect
A 6 time in Canary, I'm not 6 time in Canary, I'm not going.
Eh?
6.
Now I one time, then text me Sunday. Me glad me not
Then
Sunday.
text me, then call me, then give me a reminder, then write me. Yeah, I'm out a little from phone when they send me a answer.
Now wait to go for a few months.
Me can't wait for Sunday.
Well, a long time ago, me want to get probably like the second one already.
You know, say, if you have trouble, you have to have the door.
Then I see by the news, man, I'm up to the news today. And that's what I'm about, boy, you have to have vaccine, you have to have the show. Just like when I go to Africa, I have to show the yellow vaccine thing. When I go to Africa, I have
Yeah, when you go Ghana, you have to
Yeah,
have- you have
that's
to have-
how I
yeah,
From that one day, I last for 10 years now. Yeah, 10 years last.
Yeah, man.
So we can't back a Ghana for the next couple of years now, I just have that for sure. So I see him fucking thing back over the again.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Me, Sunday, me can't wait to get my own.
Eligible.
Yeah.
I tell you, brother.
And we go up on
But
it.
DJ, back to them, some of them immigration is to make a somebody you say I can go. You see, you know what I want to do me and you know. And talk up, man. Like, go laugh at the one.
Well, we don't have a problem. We don't have a problem with them still.
You know, I problem with them. One time I problem with them, what I said. I don't really have a problem with them like that, but one time, brother, and it was nice, to be honest.
You don't have a problem with them.
I thought the immigration boy pull you over and